All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a look and reviewing this jump starter. It's a 6,000 amp jump starter. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get in the package. 6,000 amp, that can handle a pretty big motor. So you can handle basically from a small motor on up. I don't know if they're gonna say the size of the motor. Okay, so that's just a pamphlet in there. All right, this is it. That's actually pretty nice. It comes in a box inside a box, so you know that they like to keep it protected. You guys can pause the video if you want to read any information there. Pause the video if you want to read any information on here. And let's open this up. Take a look at this, guys. Comes in a nice hard protective case. That is excellent. We definitely love that. All right, get a manual inside here. You get all of your accessories are up top here. We're gonna go ahead and pull out everything out to show you guys what you exactly get. All right, take a look at this display. Looks like we've got a little tape on here, but look at how big this display is. I love this. 12 volt ready. Look at the light, mega bright. That is excellent. Power button. All right, let's take a look at some of the ports that it offers. All right, so you got a 12 volt port. You plug this in here, and that allows you to connect a 12 volt on here to run. You have a type C port, another type C port, in and out. This is just an out type C port. This is an in and out, and you have a USB port as well. Nice sleek design. It's fairly lightweight. On the side here, this is where you connect your jumpers. By the way, for charging, they give you a 2-prong charging block with type C to type C charging cable. And so this is how it works. You want to line this up perfectly. Now it's pretty much a circle and then a circle squared off. You simply connect it in like this. Once you connect it in like that, you can then connect your black negative to the black negative of your battery and red positive to the positive terminal of your battery. We'll show you a video clip. Don't put red on black and don't do black on red. It's plus positive, which is red, black negative, which is a minus symbol, goes on the black negative of your battery. It's that simple, guys. All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.